Hi all, so this is our second chapter, globes and maps in the computer. So we already studied about marble software and how it open. Okay, then next we will study about how to find the distance between two places using marble and what is the use of marble. So we know marble is a software and we can find different places and the distance between two places, etc. So here how to find distance using marble. So the method is, first you click on the right button of the mouse over first place, then second step select add measure point from the menu, and third step click the right button of the mouse over second place, then add measure point from the menu, fourth point. So these are the steps to find the distance between two places. The next one, creating and saving maps. We can save the maps which we want. That is, if we want to map, if we want to see the map view rather than the view of the place on the globe, select Mercator view or flat view from the map view given on the left side of the window. Okay. Then how to save the map? Map എങ്ങനെ save ചെയ്യുക? These are the steps. Enlarge and adjust the areas which you want in marble globe. Use flat view technique. Click on export map of the file menu. Give suitable name to the map in the window that opens. Okay. Then next we go to study about latitude and longitude. Here we can see some horizontal lines and vertical lines. Horizontal lines are called latitude and vertical lines are called longitude. So how to find latitude and longitude? This is the next activity. So in order to find latitude and longitude, open marble software, locate your country and zoom on it. Then click on the sign given along with the name of the place. In the window which opens, you will be able to see latitude and longitude. So latitude and longitude we can see in the degree measurement, that is degree north, then 30 degrees south, etc. Okay. So this is our chapter. All of you read it. Thank you.